Hello guys, my name is Chef Ken and your chef?
Jasmine.
Yes, and today we are making threaded?
Spaghetti.
Yes, threaded spaghetti. This is the Kids Can Cook Kitchen. Find us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And how old are you?
5.
5 years. Yeah. Today we are making threaded spaghetti, a very easy peasy recipe. We have Smokies and we have spaghetti. Okay? Jasmine, we are going to cut our Smokies round and round. Okay? Are you ready? Cut the Smoky. Okay, so you're going to cut the smoky into small pieces, round and round, round and. Okay, good girl. You're winning. Yes, cut through. Good. Yes. The last one. Good girl. Okay, let's put our knives away. So as we continue, we'll be boiling our water. Jasmine, this is what you do. Take one smoky, then yes, hold it up here, closer, closer. Yes, good. How many do we? 5. Do we need 5 spaghettis? Okay. Yeah. Two. Yes. How to count this game? This recipe helps in concentration. Here, hold it on the tip. Tip, tip, tip. Yes. 1, 2, 4, 5. Yes, meanwhile we are boiling our water. Yes. 1, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now this is 5. So as we said, you hold it on the tip. Okay, good. Another one, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good girl. Yes, faster, faster. Good girl. So concentration is the game. Good. Nice one. Make sure that they're all at the center. Continue. So remember, we are boiling our water. Okay, good girl. Jasmine. Yeah, and we are done. We are done with our spaghettis. Now, as our water was boiling, we were doing this, and now we have all our spaghettis. The next step will be boiling our spaghettis. Okay, Jasmine, do you want to try? Yes, next. Make sure these you are helped by your parents, okay? Because the water is very hot. As it boils, the spaghetti gets down in. Don't break the spaghetti. Just let them boil so that as it gets softer, it gets in. We'll be boiling this for 10 to 12 minutes. So some salt, a pinch of salt for taste. That will be boiling for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so boil. by the help of an adult, boil the spaghetti, then we'll drain, and then we'll make sauce for our threaded
Spaghetti.
Are you excited? Yes. So guys, after 15 minutes, our spaghetti is ready. As you can see, they were straight, now they are cooked. Use a perforated spatula or a strainer to strain the spaghetti from the water. Yes, like that. Jasmine, do you wanna try?
Yes.
Okay. Then drain off the excess. Good. Make sure you do this with the help of an adult because we are dealing with hot water. Good, 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 good. Yes. Good. So now our pan on. Jasmine, add some oil in the pan. We'll fry our spaghetti and add some sauce, okay? Add some oil. Just a drizzle of oil in the pan. Let the oil heat round and round. The beauty of having threaded spaghetti is that every bite that you have, you get the spaghettis, 5 or more. So you see, every bite of smoky or sausage that you have, you get your spaghetti. The oil is smoking hot. We've got some ketchup over here. For the pasta, you can buy pasta sauce at the supermarket. You can use ketchup, or also you can make tomato concasse to fry. Yes, Jasmine, do you have a question? Yes. So we add some. Then a little of water from our pasta. Then cook the sauce for 3 to 4 minutes. Does it look yummy? Do you love pasta? Yes, very nice. Our pasta is ready. Serve. Nice. So as I said, every bite that you have what? The pasta spaghetti. So roll it. Okay, Jasmine, and there you have our pasta spaghetti. You want to taste?
Good.
Is it yummy? Is it tasty? Yeah, nice. Did you have fun? Yes. Did you learn how to count and to put the spaghetti into the sausage? Yes. Thank you very much. Make sure you cook this at home, okay? High five. Haya, we Jasmine, Jazz. Karibu tuende na micro.